Everybody listen. I can sign 3.
The name of the game is called bingo. All of you will get one sheet. It will be kept on the floor. First. Now what you need to do it is, there are 25 items. How many items? 25 items. You'll get the sheet. You'll be able to see them. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 horizontal, 5 vertical, or 2 diagonal. 12 ways to win this. So now there are 25 items. You have to collect signature. Remember one thing, Raja, you cannot sign your own sheet. Now, is a vegetarian. How many are vegetarians here? Raise your hands. Yes. So you can see here. So you can get signed from her, you can get signed from coaches also. Correct? So can you sign your own sheet? No. Second one. Favorite color is yellow. Favorite color. So you can get signed from them, come and get signed from me also. Is it very clear? Then has a scooty bike. Scooty bike. Paathikonga avangita. So is it very clear? Speaks 3 languages. So you can see 3 languages. Understood? So these are the things. This is what. So you need to meet more and more people. This is a networking game. It helps you to open up and also helps you to communicate. We'll get 3 minutes. How many minutes?
3 minutes.
Speed networking. What about cake? No. Ask people. Ask intelligently, get the work done. How to win this game? So first is, if you get all the 5, it's called as 1 bingo. 4 kadichirche, middle of 1 kadikala. Does it count? Kadiyadu. Yeah, you can get multiple also. You can get 2 also. You can get 3 also. Mudiyo. Coaches, start giving the paper. Ready, Prabhu? On your marks, get set, go, 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 go. Write your name first. How many are having fun? Say aye. Equals to lessons and learning. Now it's the time to understand the game much more better. Who has managed to get 10 plus bingos? 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10. Anybody? It's actually very easy to get that. 7, 6, 5. Nobody. How you guys are smart. You guys have cleared your mains very easy. Smart wala see liye. 4. Nobody got 4. 3. Sorry, 4. 3. Okay, 3 people. Can you place? Devadarshini, Praveen, and Prabhu. 3. 2 yatana perku. 3 only 3 people. 2 only 1 now. 1 nariya perku vaangirkeenga. Okay, 0. Many people got 0 also. Okay, please put your hands down. Wonderful. Okay, you want to know how to win? How many of you want to win? I can tell you one thing. You don't need 3 minutes. You can do this in 2 minutes. Very easy, smart. Sandhya, okay, all of you do one thing. Sandhya, you did not get 1. I'm going to make you a winner. See, I'll show you. Who and all got 0? Vignesh, I'll make you a winner. Ninga observe yaar mein panla. First thing enna panninga, first 10-15 seconds or scan panninga. Okay, first thing is scan பண்ணுங்க and you see how many can you sign. சிவராம் யாரு பேப்பர் எடுத்து வந்து கொடுத்தா நீங்க எத்தனை சைன் பண்ண முடியும்? 5, very nice. How many, Rahul? 7, very nice. 3, wonderful. 3, Ninglu Wanga, I'll make you win. Yeah.
7.
7.
6.
6. 5,
7.
7. So all of you, now you put your papers back. I'll have Vignesh, Sandhya and Praveen come. Praveen, you can sign only 3. All 3 of you come. I'll show you how to win. Come. Very easy, you should run. All 3 of you stand here. Now, just see how you can win very easily. There are multiple ways to win. First thing is, learn to promote yourself. See, you've got 3, 5, 6. Now, did you promote yourself? Give this. Praveen, I'll promote you. See this. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. Vanga. I can sign 3. I can sign 3. I can sign 3. Vanga. Kudukumbodhu smart. See here. Smart asking intelligently. Paper பத்திரம் உங்களால எவ்வளவு பண்ண முடியும் பண்ணுங்க. நான் 3 போட்டு கொடுக்கிறேன். Vignesh, come on the chair and scream. I can sign 3. Come. Promote yourself. I'll tell you the importance of promoting. Vanga. I can give 3. Asking intelligently. Smart communicator. Yes, come on.
Everybody listen. I can sign 3. I can நான் கிளாஸ் பங்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன், நியூஸ் பேப்பர் படிப்பேன். அப்புறம் வந்து என்கிட்ட அன்லிமிட்டட் டேட்டா கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் நான் சைன் பண்றேன். உங்களுக்கு வந்து மத்தவங்க எதுவும் பேப்பர் கொடுங்க. நான் எந்த கொடுக்குறேன். உங்க சைன் பண்ணி நீங்க எனக்கு வெச்சு கொடுங்க.
So now tell me one thing, how many of you are attracted? How many of you want to come and get it signed? Promote yourself. How many? Sandhya, can you please get up? Friends, listen to this. Prabhu, listen carefully. God has blessed us. Pavitra, you're blessed. Everybody is blessed. God has blessed us with a lot of talent. Yes or no? Sadish, are you gifted or not? You tell me.
Yes.
Mohan, are you gifted or not? But what are we doing with our gifts? It's a sin. Arun, இது ஒரு பெரிய sin that we are keeping all our gifts. ஏதோ hesitation. அவன் என்ன நினைக்க போறான், இவன் என்ன நினைக்க போகுது. You're blessed and you won't believe you fall into a 0.01 category. 0.001 category. Learn to promote. You want promotions? How many of you want promotion? Say hi. Then promote. Sadish, promote பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்தவன் பத்தி யோசனை பண்ணி full life போய்டும். God has blessed you or not? What do you think God will think? You have got so much of talent. You have got so much of gifts. நிறைய presence இருக்கு. நிறைய talents இருக்கு. Can you do something very well? Can you do something very good? Can you do something better than others? At least can you try to do something better? Why are you not telling this? Why are you not promoting this? When you go back with your gifts, talents not used, Raja, what will God tell? Tharame கொடுத்தது வேஸ்டா போச்சு. வேற யாருக்காவது கொடுத்திருக்கணும். Learn to promote. Sandhya, God has blessed you. Get up there and promote.
I can sign 6.
Come on, more energy.
I can sign 6. Anybody wants, come and get it signed from me.
This is no more a game. Tell what you're good at. I can do this very well. என்னால் மேகி அமேசிங் பண்ண முடியும், அது எவனாலும் பண்ண முடியும். But tell that and see the world will follow you. I want to ask you one thing. Stay there. Brands. What are brand doing? Let us say a company manufactures a very good product and they don't promote. What happens? I want to ask you one thing. What costs you more, branded or non-branded?
Branded.
Why?
Because
They are promoting the brand. Correct? And brands only stick in your mind. When you go for the interview, if you chosen how to speak very intelligently, you will leave a mark. Say, hey, அந்த அருள் அந்த பையன் வந்தால beautiful. This is what you need. Come on, give her a big round of applause. Sadish, Vignesh வாங்க. எவ்வளவு நீங்க சைன் பண்ண முடியும்? How did it feel there? Learn to promote yourself. If you are not promoting, very big sin. God will say, என்னடா அவ்வளவு திறமை கொடுத்தோம், என்னடா பண்றீங்க? Come on, promote yourself, Vignesh. Come on.
வாங்க 5 கனெக்டருக்கு வாங்க. நான் இருக்கு, ஜிம் இருக்கு, Facebook, Instagram இருக்கு, நியூஸ் பேப்பர் இருக்கு, கிளாஸ் இருக்கு.
Tell me one thing. With 3, you could have won or not? You could have easily won. Learn to promote. If you give, you get. This is a very important learning. If you are ready to give, you will get. And the second part is called as intelligent communication. What is intelligent communication? I'll tell you one thing. People who came to me, please stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people came to me. Praveen, நீ என்கிட்ட வந்துட்டு 3, 3 கொடுக்காம he got 3 big goals. Very nice, smart. Friends, all 5 of you come here. Asking intelligently. You guys miss intelligently. Whose game is this? My game. Who can give maximum signature? I can sign 22. I can sign 22. And நீங்களா என்ன பண்றீங்க? See from what time is it? Coach, please give me. I am here to help you guys. I'm a master company. People pay me lakhs per day just to speak. You want that? You want that skill? Yes or no? I am here to make you successful. But நீங்க ராஜா என்கிட்ட வரலன்னா அப்படி தான் உட்கார்ந்துட்டே இருப்பீங்க. Shivaram, come to me. You guys came to me. You could have done one intelligent. Coach, how many you can sign? You sign. Coach, 3 languages. Coach, yellow color. Coach, 22 I can sign. I can sign 22. நீங்க ஆராமா அங்க உட்கார்ந்திருக்கலாம். கரெக்ட் ராகுல்? 1. நீங்க வந்து 1 கேட்டீங்க. வெஜிடேரியனா கோச் நீங்க வெஜிடேரியன் yellow color நீங்க கை தூக்குனீங்க. I understand, but please observation skills are important, but start thinking smart. Start thinking smart. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. B.K. Dhup, Dr. Poorani, Anju Ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Dey, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, GIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line, and if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.